Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I show you this simple puff puff recipe. Here are all the ingredients I'm using. This is flour, this is milk. You can replace milk with water. This is sugar, yeast and salt, and also a little nutmeg. That is optional. So I'll be sieving the flour. The list of the ingredients and the measurements are listed on the screen. So please always ensure you sieve your flour. I will start mixing, adding all the dry ingredients together. Mix it and mix it. When they are well combined, then I'll add my milk. I did not add the whole milk at once because the absorption capacity of each flour differs. So I always like to add bit by bit so that my batter will not be too watery. It's safer to add bit by bit. Add at interval. When you see that you've not gotten to the texture you want, add more. But in this recipe, the 500 ml of flour, the 500 ml of milk was very much okay for what I want. So the flour is the absorption capacity of the flour was as I thought. Yeah. So it is always safer to add your milk or water bit by bit, so that your mixture might not be too watery, your batter might not be too watery or might not be too thick. If it is too thick, still add more water. Must not just stick on my measurement. If it is still watery, then you have to alter the ingredients because you are adding more flour. You can see the consistency, which I thought you have to cover it well and keep it in a very cool, a very warm place so that I'll allow it to rise. It stayed for 30 minutes. It will be staying there for 30 minutes. And now I'm adding my oil to the frying pan. One thing I forgot to mention is that the milk I used was warm milk. Lukewarm milk. You can see after 30 minutes, I brought it out. As you can see, it has already doubled in size. It's well risen. It have proved very, very well. Another thing I like to do, which is optional, I like to flavor my oil with onions. So you can see I'm now molding the puff puff, the batter into the oil. You can still use your ice cream scooper or mold in anywhere you want. But with this recipe, trust me, your puff puff will never soak oil. It will never be oily. It will be okay. Your oil will not dry up. And you can see the way it is coming. Immediately I'm putting it in, it is rising up again, showing that it rised very well. It is not dense. It is not going to stay on the pan. Immediately it enters the frying pan, it bounces up a bit and even flip on its own. So that is a sign to show you that the batter was well risen. You can see. I do like my puff puff light golden, but today because I was busy serving too many master at the same time, it got more darker than as I thought or as I want. You can see that's very delicious. So that was the last batch and I finished my frying. So simple to make. This recipe, yummy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Always come back to watch my video. See how fluffy, how soft this puff puff was. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.